How to draw in Freeform on your Mac. So for this you will need your iPhone or iPad. So open your Freeform project where you want to draw and make sure the AirDrop and the Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone. So now click on the Insert in the top menu bar and click on Insert from iPhone, and here we want to click Add Sketch. And once I click that on my iPhone, this window will be opened, and now you can draw whatever you want. Now press Done. And the drawing from my iPhone was transferred to your Freeform on your MacBook. So I'm gonna do it one more time. Insert from iPhone, and here you can, for example, type whatever you want. Click on Done. And it's here, and here in your Freeform on your Mac you can grab it, customize it, change the color, crop it, etc. So that's how you can draw in your Freeform on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.